Hello guys, today I'm going to show you converting two shapes into a group inside Figma. It's quite simple and easy. Before that, make sure you subscribe and leave a like. Let's get right into the video. So for example, I have a star. I'll take a star itself. So I made a star here and then I made another star here. Now I want to combine these stars. So example, I place the stars like, give me one sec. If I do that and then that. Yeah, this looks like black magic, but still. So, for example, I did this. I want to combine both of them. I can't keep, for example, how am I going to move this to here? I have to manually do that, right? So, to not do that, I have to group them. How am I going to do that? So, there are two here. Either select by holding them control from there or do that here itself manually. Now, once you do that, no, actually shift. Both of them are selected. Now, once both of them are selected, right click on them, press on group selection. And now it's officially grouped. Now I can just select on one. I can move both of them anywhere. It's really that simple. It's actually a nice logo. Anyone wants to use it, you can use it. So that's simple. Thank you for watching and make sure you subscribe.